for this wonderful evening that you laid on to me, Clive. It's good to see the old Neath players and Gareth, especially for you coming all the way from Cardiff up here. Thank you very much. No, not Cardiff, but Corn. Sorry. And my old friend David Parker, he normally does the speaking for me and arranging all and it's nice to see Wayne, an old friend from living down in this vein in Cardiff, he'd come all the way up. When I was playing for Neath, he never missed a game in Neath, and when I was playing for Wales, he always went to watch me in Wales. Wayne, thank you. It's good to see a lot of the old Cumbrac players and the Plymouth players that I played with in the Invincible team. Thank you all for coming. And thank you for my wife for putting up with me for all the ups and downs, but we're still together. Thank you very much anyway. Thank you.